Hey, joining you live from the banks of the Willamette River where I'm paddleboarding and talking to you about this exercise we did on forest fires and rolling dice. So the reason for doing this exercise was to give you guys a sense of differentiated vulnerability. The idea is that each of us brings a set of factors to our lives that cause us to be more or less vulnerable to the impacts of a natural disaster like a forest fire. So these are our age, our income, our ethnicity, our educational attainment, the asset profile we have, the houses that we own, et cetera, our family relationships as well. And so this intersection of factors causes us to be vulnerable in a very specific way. So somebody who might have one combination of factors might be able to choose one set of actions. Somebody who has a different set of intersections is able to choose another. And so the idea of rolling the dice was to give you a sort of random set of these factors, so that so you could make it. The luck would determine who you are, and then you could make a choice according to the factors that you've been given. So intersectional vulnerability, or what we call differentiated vulnerability, we're going to talk about that a lot more throughout the course, but this is a really nice way to start it. Okay, pretty nice, huh?